Hey, it's John-Marc, and thanks for checking out my latest drawing video on teaching you how to draw cartoons in 3 easy steps. Well, as you can see, we're still continuing the fun time this year in October, and this is a cute little bat. Well, what can you do from this one? I was thinking before doing this little video lesson, and I got it. Now, as you can see here, I made a square bat. I never seen one. I don't know if you might have, but I never seen one. But that being creative. Now, what can you change with this bat? Maybe turn it into a baseball bat, or a football bat, or how about a fruit bat or a cheese bat? That's right. Just take the center of what you have in there, that square, and change it into all those different elements, and I think you're going to have a fun time creating multiple bats this season right now. Anyway, so that's my little fun challenge for you today. And as I say from always and always and always, if you got a pencil and paper, I think we're ready to begin this lesson. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Don't forget to stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot.